Recruitment and selection are distinct but interconnected stages in the hiring process. Recruitment is the stage where an organization works to attract as many qualified applicants as possible. For example, when a company needs a data analyst, the HR department collaborates with the relevant team to define the job requirements. These might include knowledge in statistics, proficiency in tools like SQL and Python, and experience with data visualization platforms. The company then posts the vacancy on job platforms, social media, and its website to reach a wide pool of potential candidates. This initial step is to open the door to many applicants rather than restrict it. The company might receive applications from people with varied backgrounds, including fresh graduates, experienced analysts from other industries, or career shifters from related fields like IT or finance. The objective here is to encourage interest and maximize reach, not to immediately judge who fits or doesn't. Once the pool of applicants is established, the organization moves into the selection phase. This is where the focus shifts from attracting candidates to evaluating them. For a data analyst position, this might involve screening resumes for technical qualifications, administering a data interpretation test, and conducting structured interviews to assess analytical thinking, attention to detail, and communication skills. The hiring team might also look into portfolio samples or GitHub repositories to evaluate real-world project experience. The selection process is more critical and evaluative. Out of perhaps 50 applicants, only a few might advance past the initial screening. After tests and interviews, a final shortlist is created. Then, based on assessment scores and interview feedback, the most suitable candidate is selected, someone not only technically qualified, but also a good cultural fit and able to handle the specific challenges of the role, such as generating insights for business decisions. Recruitment and selection work together to ensure that the organization finds the right person for the job. In the example of hiring a data analyst, recruitment casts a wide net to find qualified talent, while selection carefully evaluates and filters to find the best match. Understanding both phases ensures a more efficient hiring strategy and improves the chances of long-term employee success and retention.